Hi, I'm Carrie Lynn, and I'm from the Musicplay team. Today I want to talk to you guys about a really great product. It's the recorder fingering and note name flashcards. This is a really great product for your recorder unit. It includes 24 large fingering charts and 20 note name flashcards. The first part of the package has a bunch of activities and also worksheets for your students to complete in class. The second part of the product has 24 fingering charts. These guys go from low C all the way to high G using the chromatic scale, and it also uses Baroque fingering as well as German fingering. So no matter what you're teaching, you have a flashcard here for you. The last part of the product are 20 note name flashcards. So the note name flashcards, they look like this. There are two versions of every single note, one without note names and one with note names. And these guys also go from low C all the way to high G in the chromatic scale all the way up. So there you have it, the recorder fingering and note flashcards. To find more products like this or this product, visit us on musicplay.ca. And for more awesome products and other teaching tips, follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube.